Look at the state of that. What's the issue, officer? Are you...
I'm just wondering the purpose of this journey.
It's none of your business.
I'm just asking some
You've no right to. You need to go back and study this book.
I have the right to be asking questions.
You don't have the right to. You don't. You don't. You don't. Well, that's fine, but I'm not telling you because it's none of your business.
Okay, well, unfortunately, if you're not in a position to provide us with the relevant information, we won't be able to let you continue your journey any further. It's an offence under Section 4 of the Healthcare Act. I'm just going to inform you of the penalties in relation to it. It's the Healthcare Act 1947, Section 31A, Temporary Restrictions, Regulations 2020.
We're on our way into that court so that you can go back to doing your job and not be harassing people like me. We've got a high court hearing now, so you're streaming to thousands of people. You are an absolute disgrace to that uniform and that flag. You really are harassing and menacing law-abiding Irish citizens who pay your wages. Now, I am driving on. You can charge
sorry,
me.
You're not travelling any further.
Don't. Just stay here.
We're streaming now. We're streaming.
We're allowed to go.
If you check the regulations, miss, you will see that one of the regulations, excuse me, one of the regulations is that I have a right to go to court. So check the regulations.
Okay, do you have identification so I'm aware that you're required in court today?
You need to check that. I'm telling you.
I don't know who you are because you haven't told us.
Gemma O Doherty is my name, and John Waters, and you know exactly who we are.
Exactly who
you do. Well, you should know. You should know if you don't know.
Why should I know?
Because this is probably the most important legal action that has ever been taken in the history of the state.
Every personal matter is important to the individual.
Your job is to take criminals off the street, not to harass citizens like me who are defending the Constitution. This is coming to an end very soon, believe you me.
Thank you very much.
You will be reminded who is in charge and who are your masters. You will be reminded of that very soon. Now we need to get, yes you do, it's the Irish people who pay your wages.
I pay my own wages also.
Did you take, sorry, excuse me, did you take an oath of allegiance?
Okay.
I see you're very nervous. I see you're very nervous and you've every reason to be.
You're entitled to have one person with you present in the court. Is this one of your...
We are both plaintiffs. How dare you? What's your name? Get her number. You're streaming to thousands of people. Can you get a camera there? Get a camera. Can you get your camera there? You're a disgrace to this country. A disgrace.
It's obviously a personal opinion.
Oh, it's not personal. Believe you me. And I want everyone to see this lady here. You're streaming to thousands of people.
Consent to my image being streamed.
Oh, you will consent to it.
I don't consent.
There she is. Watch out for her. And this one standing in front. This is now a police state. But believe you me, the Irish people will not take it for much longer. Turn around and show your number, please.
I'm not,
sorry, you're going to be reported to GSOC today. You can give me your number. What is your number?
I have provided my details already.
What? No, you haven't.
You told me you were
sorry, I can't see your number. Show me your number.
My number's on my shoulders.
Give me your number, please.
My name, Sergeant Kirsten Summers.
Sergeant what?
Roads Policing.
Sergeant
24.
Sergeant what?
Okay,
is your?
You
give me your number, D24. Honestly, your day is coming, okay? You will be stripped of that uniform. You will be stripped of your pension and your job. We have had enough of this. We have had enough of it. Disgraceful.